Morning students, today we will start with the remaining part of the topic soil. Many kinds of small living things called microorganisms live in the soil. Many kinds of small animals like earthworms, termites and ants also live in soil. Soil is useful in many other ways. It is used to make pots, bricks and mud houses. Pots made of clay were one of the first things made by human beings. Sand is used to make glass. Cement is mixed with sand and water and used to make buildings. Crude oil, metals and coal are natural resources obtained from the earth. Petrol, diesel and kerosene are obtained from crude oil. Soil conservation. Flowing rainwater and wind can damage barren soil. This can be prevented by growing plants. The roots of plant hold soil particles and prevent them from being carried away by the wind and flowing water. The plants also reduce the force of wind and flowing water and prevent soil from being damaged. Thus, soil can be conserved by growing plants. Next topic, forest. A forest has a rich growth of plants. Many kinds of trees, small plants and variety of climbers grow in forest. A forest is home of many kinds of animals. Some animals can live only in forest. These include large animals like tigers, leopards, elephant, deer and wild dogs, and small animals like trees, frogs, some kinds of birds and variety of butterflies. If forests are destroyed, animals will become homeless. Forests are our national treasure. Uses of forest. Forests provide clean air. We get oxygen from plants. The leaves, roots and bark of many forest plants are used to make medicines. Forests supply timber, wood, which is used to build houses, furniture and ships. Forest protects soils. Forest plants prevent the soil from being washed away by flowing water and wind. Forests provide honey and many kinds of edible fruits. Forests prevent floods. The dense growth of plants block the flow of rainwater. The water collects on the forest floor and slowly seeps into the soil. Forests are home of many kinds of plants and animals. Why should forests be protected? Many years ago, a large portion of land on the earth was covered with forest. As human population increased, more land was needed to grow crops, build homes and industries and construct roads. People therefore cleared forest regions. Trees were cut in large numbers. As a result, several places which were once covered with dense forest have now become open spaces without any plants or animals. The cheetah, lion and tiger were common in many parts of India. Today, the cheetah does not live in India. Lions are only found in the Gir forest in Gujarat, while only a few tigers live in certain forest regions. The snow leopard and the musk deer too are struggling to survive in the Himalayan regions. Forests are valuable natural resources. If timely steps are not taken, the remaining forest regions will also be destroyed by human actions. Who protects forests in India? Forests in India are owned and protected by the government. The protected forest regions are known as wildlife sanctuaries or national parks. Every state in India has at least a few wildlife sanctuaries. Nobody is allowed to trap or kill animals, cut trees or remove any other plants from a protected forest. A bird sanctuary, besides other animals, is a home of variety of birds. A marine sanctuary protects rare marine animals and plants.